Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. Just over a week ago, I've started a challenge to see how long it's going to take me to reach 1 Bitcoin using the Bitsgap grid trading bot. So far, so good as I'm moving forward. But first of all, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to get updated and follow the journey. Let's see how's the progress going. BNB is one of the 5 coins I'm trading against Bitcoin, and I'm using the KuCoin exchange. So BNB has done 236 trades in 9 days for me. 50 grids with a spacing of 0.4, and it's made me $36 in profit. The second pair is Ethereum and Bitcoin. 117 trades in 8 days. So it's moving on rapidly. Cardano, the one coin that has a huge amount of interest. Can they achieve what they're saying and build up to where they want to be? 80 trades so far. XRP, are they going to win the court case or are they going to lose? I went beneath the grids, but I left it and it came back in, and it's working for me again. So these 4 coins, I have a grid spacing of 0.4%, and it's moving and building up slowly but surely. Polkadot, a grid spacing of 0.79, 50 grids. As you can see, there's no transactions currently or trades, due to the fact my first video I made had a glitch on, I had to restart. I had some extra funds built up in my available balance, so I've thrown all of it towards Bitcoin, and I reset my Polkadot grids. The grids stay the same, the number of grids stay the same, the ranges stay the same. All I did was added extra funds to build it up, because I'm going to compound all my profits into the bots to let it keep on growing and help me achieve my goal faster and faster. So week 1 done, as we build towards the 1 Bitcoin goal. Will we reach it? Yes, my Bitcoin is less with what it was when I've started. As you can see, about 10% down. But that's not because of the bot, but due to the fact that the value of the coins have dropped over the last week, some more than others. But slowly but surely, we'll build towards that 1 Bitcoin. Leave me your thoughts in the description. How long do you think it's gonna take me? Have a great one.